Discover the unparalleled comfort, style, and functionality of Nightingale's lounge seating, where simplicity makes a bold statement. Nightingale's vast array of lounge seating options allows for endless seating configurations, whether in a playful open office space or sophisticated waiting area. The robust textile options allow clients to customize their lounge seating to match with corporate colors and bolster brand identity. Nightingale's commitment to durability ensures that maintenance is a breeze, as their lounge seats are designed to be easily repaired and cleaned, guaranteeing a long-lasting, pristine appearance for years to come. Lounge seating in an office space is an extension of the company. The lounge seating in a waiting area or front foyer of a building sets a tone for the client using the services of a company. It is important that any lounge seating area creates an atmosphere of comfort, creativity, and an overall enjoyable sitting experience for guests and prospective customers to sit and wait. Nightingale's wide selection of singular and modular lounge seating can transform any commercial office, waiting room, or lobby, be it an open collaboration space or traditional waiting area. If you have any questions, or you'd like to see how Nightingale's seating solutions can bring your lounge to life, contact the Ginger Grant Group today.